Now, today is a very special day. We're going to take an important step towards our new Baumholder Elementary School. The groundbreaking ceremony is not just a symbolic gesture, but a first step of setting the right conditions for an excellent education for each and every one of our children.
I'm not sure how many of you have had the chance to actually see one of the new 21st century schools that we have built for DoDEA across the world, but they are truly incredible. Once completed, this school will offer students and faculty unique capabilities and provide an amazing learning environment for children stationed here.
Baumholder is a very special place, right? There's a collective spirit here. This groundbreaking is more than just a construction project. It symbolizes our commitment to work together now in the present to build brighter futures for those who will come after us. This is the essence of a legacy, creating something enduring that stands as a testament to dedication and a unified vision for the future.
When the summer of 2027 arrives, we will witness the culmination of our collective dedication. A school where dreams will take flight and new inspiring stories will continue to unfold.